Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I am going to talk about the brand new iMac M3 for 2023. Apple has once again pushed the boundaries of design and performance with this vibrant addition to their lineup. In this video, I'll explore all the exciting features, specifications, and our overall impressions of the iMac M3. So let's dive right in. Let's start with the basics. The iMac M3 starts at a competitive price of $1,299 in US and AED $63.39 in UAE, making it an attractive option for both casual users and professionals alike. Available in a range of eye-catching colors including blue, green, pink, silver, yellow, orange, and purple, this iMac adds a splash of personality to any workspace. Under the hood, the iMac M3 packs a punch with its 8-core CPU and 8-core GPU, which can be upgraded to a remarkable 10-core GPU for those who need even more graphical power. The stunning 24-inch display boasts a resolution of 4480 by 2520, delivering vibrant colors and sharp details. Whether you're editing photos, creating videos, or just enjoying your favorite content, this display is sure to impress. In terms of memory, the base model comes with 8 GB, but you have the flexibility to configure it with 16 GB or a whopping 24 GB, ensuring smooth multitasking and efficient performance, even with resource-intensive applications. When it comes to storage, the iMac M3 starts with 256 GB, and you can upgrade it all the way up to 2 TB, providing ample space for your files, apps, and multimedia. The iMac M3 offers a good selection of ports, including 2 Thunderbolt USB 4 ports, a 3.5mm headphone jack, and optional gigabit Ethernet for those who prefer a wired internet connection. This diverse range of ports allows you to connect various peripherals and accessories, enhancing your overall user experience. Apple hasn't overlooked the importance of video calls, equipping the iMac M3 with a 1080p webcam. Whether you're attending virtual meetings, catching up with friends and family, or creating content for your channel, you can expect clear and detailed video quality. And let's talk about the design. The iMac M3 features a sleek profile measuring 21.5 by 18.1 by 5.8 inches and weighing between 9.75 to 9.87 pounds, depending on the configuration. Its slim and lightweight design makes it a stylish addition to any workspace, whether it's in your home office or studio. In conclusion, the iMac M3 for 2023 offers a fantastic blend of performance, aesthetics, and versatility. Whether you're a creative professional, a student, or someone who simply appreciates a powerful and stylish desktop, this iMac is worth considering. With its vibrant colors, impressive specifications, and thoughtful design, it's a testament to Apple's commitment to delivering innovative and user-friendly products. And that wraps up our in-depth review of the iMac M3 for 2023. Before you go, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews, comparisons, and exciting updates. Also, click on the notification bell so you never miss out on my latest content. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video. Stay tech savvy. Goodbye.